Hello friends, so today's topic is how to find the company secretary jobs or CS trainee jobs. So there are mainly 5 major sources for finding the jobs. First, ICSI placement portal. So you can simply write on Google ICSI placement portal, and via this you will able to see the list of jobs. So there are mainly two parts, CS job search and CS trainee job search. So in this CS job search, you can CS student and CS member both can log in via their credentials, that is email ID and password, and can see the list of the all the available jobs. And for CS trainee, only CS students can view the jobs via entering its login credentials. So ICSI is very active in posting the jobs on frequent basis. So approx during the month, ICSI publishes around 80 to 90 job vacancies across India. Now second, LinkedIn. So I have divided LinkedIn in two parts. First, LinkedIn job search, and second, via connecting through people. So in LinkedIn job search, you can simply filter the jobs via entering the designation, location, number of years of experience, etc. So you will able to find the list of all the available opportunities via LinkedIn search jobs. Second, via connecting with people. So you can simply make connections with the people in which you wanted to work as a CS or any role in that company. You can send connection request, and you can send message like, hello, it is nice to connect with you. I am looking for a change. I am having this much years of experience, and it will be great help if you can help me in any such vacancy, or please let me know in case there is any upcoming opening in your company. So via this also you will able to connect with the people. For example, in big companies, there is a CS team of say 10 members, 15 members. So you can simply send connection request on LinkedIn to the members, and post connecting you can send the messages to them. So through my practical experience, I have got one job through sending this connection request and sending message on LinkedIn. It actually works, friends, because from my practical experience, I have sent a connection request to the head of CS in that company, and after 2-3 months, when there was opening, she reverted me back, and I sent my resume, and post interviews I shortlisted, and I successfully worked in that company. Then third, social media groups, for example WhatsApp group, Facebook group. So you can simply become the member of that group, and via that you will able to receive the day-to-day job vacancies. So friends, I am also part of this group. So if you want to be part of that WhatsApp group for particularly company secretary vacancies, you can connect with me via LinkedIn and send me message. I'll definitely try to add you in that group. I have mentioned my LinkedIn profile link in the description box. Now fourth, via job portals. So it can be Naukri, Indeed, Monster. So you can simply make your profile and find the job vacancies. And fifth, HR recruitment agencies, or say HR consultancy. So you can in nowadays you can easily get the details of the HR consultancy people, and you can connect with them. You can send your resume, and you can tell them, in case of suitable vacancy, please connect with me. And also newspaper advertisement. So for the so many reputed companies are publishing the advertisement regarding vacancy for company secretary or CS trainees in the business newspapers, say Economic Times, Mint. So you can check over there, and you can find the suitable vacancy for you. Guys, believe me, finding job for CS is not that much difficult, because our vacancies are increasing day by day, but the number of CS are not increasing in that much speed. The job vacancies are increasing. So all the very best for your job search, and I hope you will get your dream job very soon. Stay connected with me for more videos related to CS updates. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Bye bye.